Start recording. Hi, my name is Kristen. I'd like to show you a few piano worksheets. These are great for piano teachers, or if you're a parent that wants to give your child just some extra practice, you can use these and print them for free. I'll tell you how to do that. This first one helps kids learn the names of the keys. So you'll see right here, we have little keyboards and then one key is highlighted. They just write the name of the key down here. And this is got a cowgirl theme, and there's another worksheet that has a cowboy theme. This worksheet talks about finger numbers, and I really like this worksheet because it shows the right hand and the left hand next to each other. And you'll see right here in this first yellow box that says finger 4, and the students are just supposed to color in, just grab a crayon, their favorite color, and color finger 4 on each hand. And it really helps them to see which finger is finger 4 on each hand, because sometimes kids get confused when they're comparing the right hand and the left hand. This worksheet will help a lot with learning finger numbers. This worksheet helps students learn how to identify whole steps and half steps. So you'll see that there's a keyboard printed right here and then little dots on these keys. And they just need to take a look at this and determine if that's a half step or a whole step, and then circle the correct answer. And there's a companion worksheet to this that shows notes written on the staff, and they can learn how to look at the notes on the staff and identify those as whole step and half step. This worksheet I love because it helps kids learn how to correctly write their notes. Stem rules is such a big problem. So this worksheet, they have to race to quickly draw stems on all the notes. And so they have to know that stem rule of when the stems go up, when the stems go down. If you use this worksheet, you will be so glad you did, because you'll see such a huge improvement when your students write their music. A very important part of piano is learning how to compose music. And so this worksheet is a composition worksheet with an ice cream theme. This one is for kids that haven't yet learned how to notate. So they just put their hands in the position that you tell them, and then they write down a finger number in each one of these ice cream scoops. And this is fun because they get to draw toppings on this bowl of ice cream. And then there's lots of composition worksheets that have the staff on there, so they can write in the notes on those. So this one's for younger kids, and then you'll find lots of composition worksheets for older kids. Right here we have just a fun little worksheet to help kids learn the names of their notes. They just write the note name underneath each one. That one's in black and white, and then this one is a colorful one for younger kids. This one has an alien theme, and they just write in the names of the notes. Right here you'll find a fun worksheet to help kids with the whole and half step pattern that comprises the major scale. This is a terrific worksheet, and they also get to draw in the tonic or the key note right here. And I put a little keyboard up here which will help in case they want to transfer the note. They can color it on the keyboard and then see, well, this note's relation to this one, this is a half step, this is a whole step. Very helpful worksheet. And this one is the same thing, just without the kitty graphics, so you can use this with an older student. This is a music interval worksheet. We all know that recognizing music intervals is so important. You'll be a much faster sight reader if you can recognize music intervals quickly. It's a very handy worksheet here. And circle of fifths. I really like this worksheet because not only is there a space to write in the name of the key right here, so C, G, D, but also a space for them to write in the sharps and flats to practice drawing those key signatures. So very handy worksheet there. And last but not least, we have an ear training worksheet. So I hope you do ear training with your piano students, and this worksheet makes it really easy and fun to do that. This one is geared towards younger kids, and you'll just play the first measure right here and have them note that this is in 4/4 time, and then they fill in the notes right here. And this one is in 3/4, and then each time the students answer correctly, filling in what they hear you play, they cross off a B and then see how many they can get. And I like to put this in a page protector or laminate it, and then I can use dry erase markers and just use this one worksheet over and over again. So all of these are free printable worksheets that you can get at eartrainingimprov.com. Just click on the link and you'll go there and be able to use all of these worksheets to help kids better learn to play the piano.